Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners, it's Tim. I'm here outside a small Amazon warehouse, and I just wanted to take a moment and show you just how much Amazon is growing and how their business strategies just continue to grow. Excuse the sounds of the cars, as I wanted to get this in the background. But here's what you're seeing, and here's what's so amazing about Amazon. This is a relatively small warehouse compared to these huge, massive warehouses that Amazon has all over the place. So this one, if you kind of notice in the background, there's not Amazon's delivery trucks that go to your house. There's actual real people with their real cars. So what's happening at this warehouse behind me is these are people that have signed up to deliver packages to your homes. We see them all the time. They show up in their cars, they drop the package, they take a picture, they leave, right? Not the Amazon truck showing up to your house. So these are popping up all over the place. And the reason these exist is Amazon wants to own the business of delivering items to your house, to my house, to everyone's house. They just continue to grow. So they're popping up these small little warehouses so that they can get same day delivery to your house and to my house. Now, where am I? I'm outside of Atlanta, Georgia. And I was just driving down the street. I noticed, boom, look at this thing, right? These huge, massive warehouse. And here it is. And so I wanted to see the action in the background of what is happening. So Amazon just continues to grow. Boom. You can be a part of this growth. Right now, Amazon is 5% of the retail world. Over the next 10 years, they'll grow to 7, 8, 9, 10%, somewhere in that range. You can be a part of that growth, and I want to show you how. Now, if you click the link right down there, I will be holding a free live webinar. Yes, I did say free. I did say live. It'll be 90 minutes long, 60 minutes of training to show you exactly how to sell on Amazon, and then 30 minutes to answer all of your questions. Free live webinar. Click the link, get your seat. I will see you there. It'll be held soon. I'm excited for all the growth that's happening on Amazon, and I'll see you soon.